Hello dear customers, today we're diving into the art of cleaning your jug set with finesse to make it last even longer. First, fill the jug with warm water up to the residue level, avoiding overfilling to prevent foam overflow. In case of overflowing, directly turn off your blender and get rid of some of the water. Please use warm or slightly hot water and never boiling. Also, please note that the external bottom of the jug needs to remain dry at all times. It's okay if it gets wet briefly while cleaning it, as long as we ensure we dry it afterwards. Do not use a dishwasher and do not submerge it in water, and certainly don't store it in the fridge. Next, add a few droplets of dishwashing liquid in. Turn on your blender on high speed for 25 to 30 seconds or pulse to deep clean. For those stubborn residues like nut butters, grab a scrubbing tab and use gently. And here's a pro tip: when dealing with nut butters and before cleaning, pour in some milk and enjoy a fresh nut milk. Finally, throw out the cleaning liquid, rinse well and air it out to dry before storage. Taking good care of the blade assembly is key. Check if it's correctly assembled every once in a while by manually turning it. It shouldn't make any noise. Make sure there is no grease at all on the assembly, and when turning it, the bearings shouldn't move apart or wobble. If they do, please contact Fruity Support. That's it for today. Thanks for tuning in and relish the rewards of a sparkling clean jug set for your culinary adventures.